In the last video, we have studied about graphical representation, and now we study about equation of motion. So, first equation of motion, this one also called the velocity time relation. So, see the graph here. In the x-axis, we have taken here time, and in the y-axis, taking the velocity. Okay, so let the initial velocity in the OA portion is u, and final velocity after time t, it become O to E is v. Okay, in the axis we have taken the here time, so OC or AD is time t here, and AB graph, this straight line AB graph represent the acceleration, because this one is the velocity time graph. So this slope, this one is called the slope. So in the velocity time graph, this slope is called the acceleration, and in the displacement time graph, this slope is called the velocity. Okay, so suppose the body is moving in a straight line with uniform acceleration a. Let initial velocity at time t equal to 0 is u, and final velocity after time t is become v. So first here discuss the acceleration of the body equal to slope of velocity time graph. Remember here, acceleration of the body equal to slope of velocity time graph. This one is the slope. Okay, so A equal to acceleration equal to BD by AD, because acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time interval. So here BD, this one is the BD, change in velocity. Why change in velocity? Because CV, okay, ROE is equal to V, and CD or OA equal to U, initial velocity. So change in velocity is equal to BD, and AD is here time interval. So AD or OC both are equal here, is equal to time interval. So acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time interval. This one also denoted by tan theta. Tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So this one theta is the angle here, and BD is here perpendicular, AD here base, right angle triangle. This one is perpendicular, front side of the theta angle, and this one is the base here AD. Okay, so A equal to acceleration equal to tan theta equal to BD by AD, and here BD equal to BC minus CD. BC, this one is BC, and minus CD, this one is the CD. This CD is equal to U, and BC equal to V. This one CD is also denoted by OA. This OA equal to CD. Okay, so BD equal to BC minus CD equal to BC minus OA, and this one BC is here final velocity V, and O is equal to U. So V minus U is equal to change in velocity, and AD equal to OC equal to time t. So acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time, and cross multiplication we get here V minus U equal to AT, or this one also denote the V equal to U plus AT. So this one is the first equation of motion, where V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, and T is the time. Then second equation of motion, this one also called the position time relation. So again, body is moving with constant acceleration, okay, A, and this one is the here velocity, and in the time x-axis we have taken the time. So again here distance S equal to area of OABC. As we discussed in the previous video, area under velocity time graph is equal to distance. Okay, so here distance equal to area under velocity time graph OABC, and this OABC, this one is equal to area of rectangle OADCO, and area plus area of triangle ADB. Okay, so here in this graph, here area of rectangle OADC equal to length into breadth. Length is here OA, and base is here OC. Look at the here. This one is the here OC and OA. This one is the length into breadth. Okay, in case of the rectangle, and in the triangle, it is equal area of triangle half base into height. So half base is here BD and height is here AD. So in this case, half BD into AD. Okay, putting the value here, OA equal to here, OA equal to U and OC. This OC is equal to time T. So U into T, place of OA and OC, we put the here U into T plus half, and BD is equal to final velocity BC minus initial velocity CD into AD, and this AD, look at that here, AD equal to OC. Okay, so U into T plus half BC minus OA, because CD equal to OA into OC. Putting the value here again, UT plus half, place of BC put the V, place of OA U, and OC equal to here time T. So, and again using the first equation of motion, A equal to acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time interval, as we know that acceleration equal to V minus U by T, and therefore V minus U equal to AT. So place of this V minus U equal to AT, putting the value, so we get here S equal to UT plus half, and place of V minus U equal to AT into T. So we get here S equal to UT plus half AT square. This one is the second equation of motion or position time relation. Then third one is the next one, last equation, position velocity relation. Third equation is also called the position velocity relation. Again graph are the same here. This one is the acceleration, there is the velocity, change in velocity here, BD, and BC is the final velocity, CD is the initial velocity. Again velocity time graph shows the distance here. So area under velocity time graph is equal to distance. So distance equal to area of trapezium. Look at that here. Trapezium is here OABC. This one is the trapezium. Okay. So area of trapezium equal to sum of parallel sides by 2 into distance between two parallel sides. So distance equal to, distance denoted by S, equal to sum of parallel sides, means first parallel side is OA and second parallel side is CB. Okay, so OA plus CB by 2 into distance between two parallel sides. This one is the OC or AD. Okay, so this one is here OC. Putting the value here again, S equal to OA is U, CB is here V by 2 into OC. This one is the time T. So this one is the time T. Again using first equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT. So V minus U equal to AT. Then we get here time T equal to V minus U upon A. This value of time T putting in the third equation of motion, this at place of this time. So we get here S equal to, distance equal to U plus V or V plus U by 2 into place of T V minus U upon A. So we get here A plus B, A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So S equal to V square minus U square by 2A. Cross multiplication, we get here V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So this one is the third equation of motion. So remember here three equation of motion. First is V equal to U plus AT. Second one is S equal to UT plus half AT square. And third one is here V square minus U square equal to 2AS, where U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity, A is the acceleration, T is the time, and S is the distance covered by the body. Okay, thank you.